Well, no problem. I can tell you from experience that all of the tools that you mentioned, those would be the tools that I thought I was being smart when I wanted to change up my system of having project management. And even with a very good solution, it would take me from the project application 3 hours of constant work. Would be like 3 hours of looking every application, every work package, and it didn't work. And once we would use the task file, it would take us for the basic stuff 15 to 20 minutes. After the kickoff, maybe another 30 minutes. And essentially, in less than an hour, if you know what you're doing or if you made the application, you can make the task file. So it might not be super easy, but it's much faster and much better than any alternative that I've personally tested. And I've tested all of the big ones. I've tested Trello, Asana, ClickUp, and I also tried it in Notion with my own project management. It was okay internally, but it's not good for your own team. You need the task file. So this would be my way of thinking.